Hey, my name is Gimhana Kalanka and my student number is 1483275, and this is the digital forensics subject, and the subject code is BIT362, and my lecturer is Tony D'Souza. So in this assignment I have to talk about two case studies, and first we are gonna talk about the autopsy software, which is a digital forensics software, and the autopsy is a digital forensics platform and the graphical user interface for the sleuth kit and some other forensics tools. Autopsies are used by many practice parties such as law enforcement, military, corporate examiners to investigate a case related to a computer. By using autopsy, any deleted media can be recovered but as desired. The tool is designed with the principle in mind, like extensible, centralized, ease of use, multiple users. So in this assignment, this is the assignment 3, and in this assignment, we have to talk about two case studies. One is the Russian tea house, and the other one is rhino hunt. So first, I'm going to talk about the Russian tea house. So for this scenario, I'm going to use the autopsy. So I already opened the autopsy. Then when we open the autopsy, we get like a window like this. In here, we click the new case. So we have to put a case name. So I will put my case study name, Russian tea house, and I have to select the best directory. So I'm going to create a directory in my desktop, so I can easy access to my directory. So I'm gonna name it L1. Now I'm gonna rename it test1. So select, then click next. Then this is my case number 1. The examiner name is my 1, Dimana Kalanka. Then click finish. In here, in this window, we have to select the type of the data source we have to add. In the Russian tea house scenario, we already got the link in the disk image, so we have to click the disk image. Then next, then we have to select the path in those provided link. So click. I already download those link. I already download the file via those link. Then I choose the first one. Then open. Then click next. We have make sure we have to select all of these features, because these are very important to select all features. If this is not selected, we have to click the select all. Then next. We did it successfully because we got a message data source has been added to the local database, file are being analyzed. So I'm going to click the finish button. Then this is my window, autopsy window after but it's still analyzing the file from that link. So it's already been analyzed, and I'm going to the deleted file. It shows the all items as a 2. Then I click that one. Then first one is both are txt file, so I'm gonna click this one. It shows like indexed text in like appetizer, like here ham, mushroom, sausages, head, and when we click the next one, it says beverages, tea black with milk with lemon, iced tea, mineral water. When we look at the our first scenario, we have to find those 8 elements because all these are already deleted. So we have to search these ones by using those keywords. So I'm going to use these keywords. Uh, uh, this is a short video presentation, so I'm gonna do the 4 of them, then another rest of the 4 of them doing the same as the first 4. So select this keyword, click CTRV, or we can right click and copy, then go to autopsy. In right upper corner we can see the keyword search, then click it, click your cursor and press Ctrl V because the right click isn't work here. So when we paste our keyword here, we have to select the substring match because we have to use the substring match, because if we type it appetizers or anything like that, we got all the result same as the appetizers and everything. If we select the exact match, we got only the name we type in here. So we have to substring match, then search. Then we got two txt files. Then we gonna click first one here. It shows appetizers. I think this is the menu of the appetizers. When we click the next one, I think then it's an appetizer menu. Like this, we have to copy the next one. Next, I'm gonna copy the soup. Then go to autopsy. Like previous, we gonna paste it here. Then click substring match. Then search again, and we got another match, another one. Then it's a soup menu here. Then now we got two missing items, missing menus. Then we gonna gain into our scenario. Then I'm gonna copy these pancakes, then go back to the autopsy, ctarea, Control V, substring match, search. We got a pancake menu here. We have the meat pies and dumplings. Copy that one. Go to autopsy, keyword search, Control V, substring match, search. Here is the meat pies and dumplings file. Like this, we can get all the missing items by searching these keywords from the autopsy. So this is my first scenario in the Russian tea house. In the second part of the assignment, the second case study is the rhino hunt. So I have to create another new case. I'm going to the new case. Then case name is rhino hunt. And base directories, I'm gonna choose the same base directory. Select this one, then click next. Then my case number is case number 2. Then click finish. Then it's preparing. Then I go to menu like my at the data source menu. In here, I have to select the disk image because as a data source, because I already download the Rhino DD the data image. So I click the data image disk image, then click next. Then I have to browse my image file. The Rhino Rhino USB dot double D is my image for the second part. Then I click that one, then open. Then I'm gonna click next. Like I said previously, then we have to select all of this. This is because it's important to search. Then click next. Then we did it successfully. Data source has been added to the local database and is still analyzing file from the Rhino on USB data image, disk image. So it's still in 91%, and we have to wait until it getting 100%. This is our image file. We already chose that one. Then we go to the deleted file. It still shows the 0. All files is 0 because it's analyzing files. So we have to wait until it's getting done. It could be getting sometimes. It's getting 100%. It's almost done. So we got 132 files already deleted. Click that one. Then in the Rhino Hunt one, uh, this is the Rhino Hunt HTML. So in this scenario, we have to recover at least 9 Rhino pictures from the available evidence, include them in a brief report. So we have to at least capture the 9 Rhino photos. So we gonna here photo extension is JPEG or GIF or like that. So I'm gonna view all the JPG files. This one is the first one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think this is the I captured all the 9 photos of the rhinos, and and the other part is I have to answer the some question in the rhino hunt scenario. I have to answer these questions. There are 7 questions. I'm gonna answer some question using the keyword searching. So who gave the accused telnet slash FTP account? So I'm gonna use the account as a keyword. So I copy this one. I'm going to keyword search, then control V, then substring match, then search. Then I got the two folders. In here, I can see account that Jeremy gave me. So I click this one. In the first match, this is the account highlighted in this paragraph. According to this, I read the whole paragraph, but I couldn't find the answer. Then I go to the next match. Then it shows I need to change the password on norm account that Jeremy gave me. Then the answer for the first one, who gave the accused telnet FTP account? Jeremy gave the account. So the next one, what is the username and password for the account? So I'm gonna, I think the username is the norm. This one is the username. And next one, what relevant file transfers appear in the network traces? In here, I'm going to mainly focus on only the autopsy tool. So I'm not going to talk about the Wireshark. So all the traces questions I have to answer through the Wireshark. So I'm not gonna talk about this now. So I'm gonna move to the next one. What happened to the hard drive in the computer and where is it now? I'm gonna use the drive as a keyword. So I copy this one, go to the keyword search, Control V, substring match, search. Then I got 3 files. I'm gonna click first one. Then I'd got a description like flash drive, source path, and artifact number. Then this is not the file I wanted, so I'm going to search the next one. Then I got a huge paragraph, but I couldn't find anything related to that question. So I'm going to move the next match. Then in here he wrapped the hard drive and then threw it into the Mississippi River. So I think this is the answer. The what happened to the hard drive? He wrapped into the hard drive, and where is it now? It's in the Mississippi River. like 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 this, we can use all the keywords and type it in our keyword search and we can check all the answers for these questions. So this is the 8-minute video, so I'm not gonna show all the answers because it's a same thing. So and the last part I have to talk about the critical analysis of this autopsy tool. In here, critical analysis can be divided into the subsections such as limitation, speed, ease of the use, and cost. When we talk about the speed, when considering the speed of the autopsy, it is comparably fast with the other forensic tools. Even though it takes hours to fulfill analyze the drive, result with the expectations such as using the keywords can be generated within a minute. Like when we doing that assignment, we can show that one. It will also try to find the most relevant data first. Reason for the faster search can be listed as follows, like running parallel to take advantage of the multiple scores, by skipping intensive steps like searching for open FAT files, analysis and unallocated space. User folders are prioritized over the system components, and the ingest module results are given as soon as possible. So next one, I'm going to talk about the limitation. AutoSpeed does not provide the plural what is called gablabodics, and that is the only limitation so far considering for the forensic tool. And the next one is cost. Autopsy is an open source tool, so we can download it in free version, totally free, even though features such as web artifact analysis and the registry analysis, which is not even provided by some other tools as is included in the autopsy software. And the final one is easy of use. By considering the forensics perspective, it is easy to use due to the detailing, features and the displaying data, etc. But for the beginners, it can be a bit harder to get comfortable with tool. When we when we know how to use this one, like how to select a data source, it is how to select a path like this. Then when we getting analyzed, then we can all the deleted file like categorize the keyword hits. We can search MB file size, result, extract content, and like that. So this is my assignment 3, and I did the 3 parts. First, I did the Russian tea house scenario. Then I did the rhino hunts. We have I in that one I have to capture the 9 JPEG files, and I have to give a little explanation about the critical analysis about the autopsy. So that's all for this assignment. Thank you so much.